Creating a YouTube short video channel is easier than ever now with the new AI tools available today. It's really easy, and if you can have a successful shorts channel, you can easily make some passive income through it. You only need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views to start monetizing. If you post long videos, you need 4,000 watch hours. In this video, I will show you how to make short videos for a niche that's not saturated yet. The best part is you can post both short and long videos, and the audience would love both. Ever wondered what life is like in North Korea? Here are 3 crazy rules that will blow your mind. First up, haircuts. In North Korea, you can't just choose any hairstyle. The government has a list of approved haircuts, 15 for men and 15 for women. So if you're planning to rock that mohawk or dye your hair purple, think again. Next, imagine living without the internet. That's right. In North Korea, the internet as we know it is banned. They have their own controlled network, and only a few select people have access to the real World Wide Web. Facebook, Instagram, and Google are completely off limits. And finally, did you know there's a ban on sarcasm? Yes, you heard that right. Making sarcastic remarks about the government or its leaders can get you into serious trouble. Even something as simple as rolling your eyes can be considered a crime. Crazy, right? These are just a few of the strict and bizarre rules in North Korea. What do you think about them? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts from around the world. We'll call this the Country Facts niche. Basically, we are going to talk about different countries around the world and highlight some crazy and amazing things about those countries. First, I will show you how to make a video like this manually, and then how to use AI to automate the process. Step 1. Script generation. To create a video like this, we need a script. We can use ChatGPT for that. Just go to ChatGPT and ask for a script on a specific topic, like write a child learning video script about various birds. ChatGPT will generate a captivating YouTube video script with proper instructions about visuals and content. Copy the generated script into a document file. Step 2. Voiceover creation. Next, we need to generate voiceovers. We can use 11 Labs, one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. Select a suitable voice, copy and paste the script part by part, and create the voiceovers for the whole script. Step 3. Image generation. For images, use Leonardo AI. Read the script part by part and generate images that match the script. This process might take several minutes. After generating all the images, use a video editor like CapCut to edit these videos. Automation with Smart Short AI. Now, let me show you an easier method to automate this entire process. Use an AI tool called Smart Short AI. This AI can generate 100% unique videos each time, allowing you to create videos related to any niche or topic. First, go to Smart Short AI and use the link in the description for a 20% discount. This AI tool can generate videos in different languages, with more than 50 ultra-realistic AI voices available. It even supports 11 Labs voices. Creating the video, copy the script we generated previously and paste it into Smart Short AI. Select an AI voice. Set the footage interval, e.g., 1 image per every 2 seconds. Activate options for smooth transitions, sound effects, silence removal, and simple animations. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, the AI will create the video. The AI will generate the video with images, captions, and emojis. You can edit the video's text colors, placements, and add new emojis. You can even replace captions with pre-made templates. Pricing and packages. Smart Short AI offers 3 packages: 19-month for 20 short videos, 39-month for 50 short videos, 68-month for 100 short videos. These packages include all features, including premium AI voices and animations. I hope you will start this niche and become the owner of a successful YouTube channel in the next few months. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on how to create awesome content with AI. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.